Hey everybody, YouTube land. Alright, here's my new project. I'm gonna be taking that cover off. I'll be taking that head off, cleaning it. Yeah, I got the coil. That's gotta be cleaned. I'm gonna sand that, get it painted. Got that all apart. Got it on my trailer here. So that's the snowblower yardman. There's the yardman right here. 8.5 horse, 26 inch on MTD. We don't have to play with that this year. That one's running good. Got my tent open. No, the moped's on hold right now. Alright, got my through wheel. I gotta put that away in a minute. Alright, catch you guys later.